Hey everybody, welcome to the Dashboard Channel, your North Florida car show connection. This week we're taking you out to Callahan, Florida for the monthly Callahan Cruisers Hardee's Cruise In at the Hardee's restaurant in Callahan. We always go out to this event. We're a member of the club, so we kind of have to go out to the meetings. I'm kidding. We go out because we want to go out and hang out with our people. Anyway, we went out. We're going to take you around, show you what was out there. This is going to be our car show cam. You're going to get to see what the car sees at the car show. I hope you guys enjoy the video. We took a lot of video, a lot of pictures. I hope you guys enjoy it. And don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you week to week, day to day. And now we're going to get ready to go. So, on with the car show. There's the trailer.
Okay. They just late coming too, huh? Oh, they trailered it.
Mm-hmm.
I wonder if there's something wrong with it.
No. Where do you want me to put it?
I don't care. Where we parked last month, I guess.
Point it in or point it out?
Point it out, I guess. Isn't that the way we parked it last time?
No, we had it pointed in last time.
Well, either way.
So what are you gonna get this time? Order Domino's $9.99 best deal ever before it's gone. Prices higher for some locations online.
Good? Or a little bit further back?
I guess that's good. Yeah, I wasn't dressing up, no way.
Me either. Oh, you want to just set this camera up over here? Battery pack should be right here on the seat somewhere.
Well, you didn't even take it off the pole.
Hell no.
No, I thought we put them all in.
There was one lady. There it is. Wait. Where's the button? What? I couldn't hear you.
He's trying to get back down. For?
Come on, go out to drive.
Okay. Normally we just go out the road, dear. You want to be seen.
No. I had to use the end of the video in the vlog video, so
Okay.
I started driving out.
All right.
We have a passenger
What?
on my
Oh.
windshield wiper.
A lizard? You want me to get out there and move him?
He'll jump off.
Yeah. You ain't getting out.
Nope.
Randy got out okay.
He was the reason why it was backed up.
Turn lane?
Yep.
Now you can get in the inside lane. That truck's still there.
Mm-hmm.
What you hunting?
My phone. Gotta record the video ending.
Yeah, if it gets any darker, huh?
Yeah. That's gonna be the problem moving forward. At least dark early.
We probably should have fixed us a cup of coffee when we got home.
Wouldn't have mattered.
Probably not. You thirsty? Want
No,
a sip?
I'm fine.
I still have a full thing because I didn't drink any when I had my pizza.
Mm.
And then I fell asleep.
Alright guys, so we are done for the day. We just finished up at the Callahan Cruisers Monthly Cruise In at the Hardee's restaurant. It's a little thin this month. The overcast, kind of spitting rainy weather kind of kept people away, I think. But hey, they missed out. That's their loss. So, that's going to wrap up the weekend. We're going to have this video out shortly. On the next weekend and the rest of the month. Going to be busy. Next weekend we got the Isle of Eight Flags Car Show in Amelia Island in front of the beach. We're going to go out to that one. We're not going to participate. We're just going to go out and look and take pictures of the cars, take video of the cars and whatnot. So
For all of y'all.
we're going to do it for you guys so you guys don't have to go out and fight the crowd. And there's going to be a crowd. There always is. Then week after that.
It's Adamak, isn't it?
Yes. One day during that week, we have a burnout contest at a bar in Ormond Beach with Mustangs at Daytona. We're going to try to make it out of that. We've been saying we're going to make it out for the last 2 years. This makes year 3. We're going to try to make it. We're actually going to try to make it this year. We got things lined up right to make it this year. And then that weekend, we got a doubleheader Saturday.
Halloween weekend.
We got Adamak Harley Davidson Trunk or Treat with the Callahan Cruisers in St. Augustine. And then Mustangs at Daytona is having their big Mustang show at Daytona International Speedway that same day. So we're going to have to do double duty. We're going to have to do Adamak in the morning, Mustangs at Daytona in the afternoon. But we'll do it for you guys. That's going to wrap up the month of October, I believe. I don't think there's anything else. So, on to channel news. We are at 298 subscribers as of last night. Hope to, grow some more. We seem to have been kind of stuck the last 2-3 weeks. Not sure why. I don't know what I did to piss off YouTube, but I did something. Or they changed something. Don't know. Anyway, so you guys make sure you like and subscribe to the channel.
Share it.
Share it out to your friends. Share it out everywhere. We're trying to share more on Facebook, build more Facebook traffic. We've set up TikTok. We're going to start sharing more on TikTok. So I thank everybody that's a subscriber. I love you guys. You guys are the reason I'm out here doing this. I probably wouldn't be continuing to do as many car shows if it wasn't for all my viewers. So you guys are making it happen. Just need to make it happen a little bit more so we can get some monetization, so we can start paying some bills. Anyway, so that's going to wrap up this video. That's going to wrap up this weekend. We'll see you guys next week out at the car shows. So stay tuned and we'll see you out there, guys. Alright, that's done. A fire truck was coming down here to the fairgrounds.
Yeah. To relieve the one that came back?
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah, they're going to have to get somebody back out here shortly.
Alright, everybody, that's going to wrap up this video from the Callahan Cruisers Monthly Cruise In. I hope you guys enjoyed it. We enjoyed going out to the car show, and we always enjoy hanging out with our car show people, and we got to take a lot of pictures and a lot of videos, so I hope you guys enjoyed that. If you did happen to enjoy it, don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. As long as you guys keep doing it, we're going to keep making the videos. We're trying to grow the channel to get to 500 subscribers. We're at 300 right now, which is great, which is awesome. We just got to get that little bit next 200 to get to the monetization goal. So we can start, maybe going further out from North Florida. Anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed it. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and share to keep these videos coming at you. We're going to keep going to the car shows, and we'll see you guys out at the car show, wherever the next one may take us.